What is going on, guys? How you doing? How you been? For today's video, we are going to have a quick overview of the new Akko CS switches V2 and then compare it to its V1 variants. Akko opened a Shopee account in hopes to cater to their Southeast Asian community. I'm quite surprised at how they're taking this expansion very subtly, which I think more brands should do too. Also, I want to thank them for sending me these products for review. It really helps the channel a lot and it means a lot to me. Before moving on, I want to showcase how great the packaging is for these switches. They were able to make it feel premium. Similar to its predecessor, the V2s consist of three main switches: the Radiant Red, Lavender Purple, and the Vintage White. These are made of the classic PC nylon palm combo. The Radiant Reds are linear switches with a 3.5mm travel distance, a 62g bottom out force, and an 18mm extended spring. For its V1 counterpart, the Matcha Green has a 4.0mm travel distance with a 63g bottom out force and a progressive spring. Now, let's compare the sound difference. Next is the Vintage White. This is another linear switch that comes with a travel distance of 4.0mm and a bottom out force of 45g. It's extremely light with its 22mm extended spring, the longest of them all. For the counterpart, the Rose Red is a linear switch that has a travel distance of 3.5mm, a bottom out force of 55g, and similar to the Matcha Green, it has a progressive spring. Let's see if they have a difference in sound. Lastly, the Lavender Purple is a tactile switch with a 4.0mm travel distance, a tactile force of 50g, and an 18mm extended spring. While its older brother, the Ocean Blue, has a 4.0mm travel distance, a tactile force of 45g, and a progressive spring. The slight difference when it comes to tactility is very prominent when typing, but let's find out if there's a sound difference. In conclusion, I think spec-wise, there's not much difference between the V1s and the V2s, but I think I have to say that these have a lot of variety when it comes to typing feel and sound. These are the perfect switches to get you started on your keyboard hobby. My favorite switch so far is the Radiant Red for how snappy it feels and how well balanced the weight is. And I really think Akko has done a good job for these custom switches. I can't wait for more innovation they have to offer, whether it is towards the switches or any other keyboard parts. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.